In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the built-in Steam account switcher so you can quickly change between multiple Steam accounts without any complicated setup. This is really useful if you manage more than one account, share a computer, or simply want a faster way to log into a different profile. The best part is that Steam already includes this feature, so you don't need to install any extra tools. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can switch accounts in seconds. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Steam tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Steam desktop application on your computer and make sure you are logged into your current account. Once Steam is open, look at the top right corner of the Steam window where your account name appears. Click on your account name to open the account menu. This menu contains several options related to your profile and account settings. From this drop-down menu, find and click the option called Change Account. As soon as you click Change Account, Steam will safely log you out of the current account. After logging out, Steam will automatically return you to the login screen. This is where the built-in account switcher effectively takes over and allows you to sign into another account. On the login screen, you can either select another saved account if it already appears on the list, or you can manually enter the username and password for a different Steam account. Once you enter the login details, click the sign in button just like you normally would. In many cases, Steam will ask you to complete SteamGuard verification. This is a security step designed to protect your account. Simply enter the code sent to your email or the code from your SteamGuard mobile app to continue. After verification is complete, Steam will log you into the new account and your library and profile will update automatically. And that's all there is to using the built-in Steam account switcher. You can repeat this process anytime you want to move between accounts quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy Steam guides.